What's up, guys? Pine from Burger Motorsports here, doing a new series YouTube video with our latest 340xi. We're building a race car, but first we're gonna go through Burger Motorsports and show you guys our warehouse. Let's take a look. This is our reception area. Any of the sales questions we'll go through here. Down the hall, we have the R&D office with our photo studio. Down this hall, this is the big boss Terry Berger's office, the general manager's office. Follow me through the warehouse. First, we'll start in the fueler area. This is where we make all your lines, put all the pumps together, and assemble everything. As you can see, we have boxes of brand new fuel pumps straight from TI Automotive. Through here you can see hundreds of pumps that we keep in stock. These are the pumps that are ready to go. And our custom billet fittings that are made down the street for our stuff. This is our crimping area where we crimp all the custom lines.
Watch your finger.
We have lots of stuff down here. F10, M5, M6 charge pipe systems. We have the M55 aluminum inlets. Billet intakes for the B58, B48, B46. Oil catch can systems all throughout here. Custom hoses made. More intake systems down there. Here are strut braces, billet accessories, blow-off valves straight from tile, diff braces, wheel spacers, more blow-off valves from Turbo Smart, intake systems. This is our shipping and receiving area. As you can see, this is a stock of some of our JB4 systems that are ready to go out when ordered. Follow me, we'll go check out where the JB4 systems are made. In here, we assemble all the JB4 systems. We can see all the JB4 harnesses made in USA, straight from California. AMSCO is our supplier. Down here are the programmed JB4 boards, all ready to be assembled and put in the JB4 cases. This is our testing station. This is where the guys assemble. We have to keep this 12,000 square foot warehouse fully stocked at all times. Down here, you can follow me and see the intercooler systems, intake systems, methanol pumps. As we go down the pallets, competition intakes, our custom methanol tanks from 2-gallon universal, 3-gallon F-series. Hundreds of spacers in this whole aisle, you can see, ready to go. Now for the fun part. This is where all the magic happens, research and development. This is our linked all-wheel drive dyno jet with dual eddy currents. So we're able to put load on the dyno, precisely dyno tune anything at any RPM for whatever we need. Now, let's go see what we're about to strap on and get ready for the results. Behind me is our 2020 BMW M340 xDrive JB4 tuned race car build. Right now it's on the dyno jet. Gonna get some baselines on a fully stock car before we do the built motor from Titan Motorsports, built transmission from Pure Drivetrain Solutions, and a KLM Precision 7275 top mount turbo kit. This thing is going to be pushing north of 1200 wheel horsepower. We're going to take it to some quarter mile and half mile events and show what the JB4 can do. Alright, we just got done doing 3 baselines on the stock car, 91 California octane. Hit pretty respectable numbers, something that you'd expect. They claim 382 horsepower from BMW, pretty much close to those numbers. By the way, just need to remind you guys, this car has 103,000 miles on it. So, not too bad, right? These B58 motors, like I said, they are stout. Let's grab a B58 JB4 system off the shelf. Bluetooth Connect kit. Let's go install this on the car. Let's install our competition intake system since we need to pull the intake out. dyno results are in. Baseline 91 octane, made 366 to all wheel. Then we jumped up to JB4, map 1, made 388, map 291, 407. We had to splash some E85 for the upper maps, getting it close to 93 octane, maybe a bit higher. The gains are promising. Map 5, 447 to the wheels. It's over 80 horsepower from stock to map 5. This is all in the locked ECU JB4 with the intake only. No downpipe, no charge pipe. These gains, real results. That's it for this episode. Stay tuned for next one where we install the JB4 MHD back-end flash, Fuel It CAN ECA Flex Fuel Kit, and some NGK spark plugs. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments.